The symbols which are used to do some mathematical or logical operations are called as operators. The data items or values that the operators act upon are called as operands. Examples for operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equal to operator. Types of operators. There are three types of operators are used in C++. They are unary, binary, ternary. Unary operator requires only one operand for its process. For example, increment and decrement operator. These operators requires only one operand. Binary operator requires two operands for its process. For example, arithmetic operator. These operators requires two operands to make the result for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and also modulus. Ternary operator requires three operands for its process. For example, conditional operator. These operators requires three operands to make the result for the given condition. It is an alternative method for if-else statements that are used in C++. Operators used in C++. There are 6 types of operator available in C++. Each operator is used for a specific functions and purposes. They are arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on data. These operators are under binary operators.
Relational operators. Relational operators are used to relate two datas or value and find the result. If the result is true, it returns the value 1, or else if the result is false, it returns the value 0. Logical operators. Logical operators are used in gates such as AND, OR, and NOT gate. These operators are used within conditional operators to evaluate logical and relational expressions. The logical operators act upon the operands that are themselves called as logical expressions.
Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators work on each bit of data and perform bit-by-bit operation. In C++, there are 3 kinds of bitwise operators, which will be studied in upcoming lessons.
Assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable which is on the left-hand side of an assignment statement. Conditional operator. In C++, there is only one conditional operator is used. This operator is a ternary operator. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators perform simple arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Some of the arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiply, division, and modulus. These operators are under binary operators. Increment and decrement operators. The remaining operators will be on next module. Thank you.